So, Big Splash Adventure, you're probably wondering, well, where's the big splash? I think I found it. Now, what's cool about Big Splash Adventure is it's actually enclosed, right?
We are, yeah. We are 40,000 square feet. We do have a retractable roof, so it's great during the summer because we can't open the roof, but then you're actually kind of shielded from the sun as well. So we are open year-round. Like I said, we do have a retractable roof, so we can close it up in the winter months and open it up in the summer months.
So there, if you're wondering, like, where can I go swimming in the winter, this is a great place to do that.
Absolutely.
That's why this is an include Big Splash Adventure. Where can I find more information?
Sure, you can go to our website. It's www.bigsplashdventure.com or call us at 877-936-3866.